Welcome to Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 8. These are daily exercises to challenge your pandas skills. You can take all of the challenges at python.dunderdata.com. So let's read in our data set. Again, it's the employee data set. So in this challenge, you're going to return the number of employees from the police department that do not have the word police in their title, ignoring case. So if you look over here, there are several employees that there are employees that come from the police department. We need to find those employees, and then we need to look for ones that do not have the word police in their title. So these three employees that we see here all have the word police in the title, but some of them do not. Let's go down here and let's create two filters. We'll say filter 1 is, we'll get the department, and we just want that to equal exactly police, like that. So it needs to be from the police department. And then filt 2 will say df the title, and we're going to use this string accessor to see if it contains the word police, and we will ignore case. So there's a parameter here called case, and we'll set it equal to false. So if it contains the word police, then this will be true, but we want it to not contain the word police. So we will put this little tilde over here, which is an operator to reverse this series. So these will be two Boolean series, and we'll say maybe the final filter is a combination of these. It's an intersection of these. So filt 1 and filt 2, they both have to be true. So let's go ahead and return this filter, at least let's do the department and title columns like that. And just so we can see what we've done. So these should be the ones that do not, okay, they're from the police department, but they do not have the word police in their title. So it looks like it's solved it correctly, but what we need to do is just return the number of employees. We just have to count these. So we don't even need to return any information. That was just done to check visually that we had it correctly. So this filter, we should just say we want to return the sum of this. So this filter is Boolean true or false. So sum will just add up all those true numbers, and it should equal 896 here. Let's go ahead and see that. And it does, and then the solution also has 896, so that looks good. All right, so again, recapping, we filtered for police in the department, we filtered for not having the word police in the title, and then we use an intersection here to say that both had to be true, and then we just summed up that final Boolean series. All right, so that wraps it up for Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 8. If you enjoyed this challenge and would like to learn more, then come check out my books and courses at dunderdata.com. I provide a comprehensive path for mastering both Python and Pandas to produce trusted results. Below I have a few of my courses. Exercise Python will teach you the fundamentals of Python. Master Data Analysis with Python is an extremely comprehensive course that will teach you everything there is to know about using the Pandas library to do data analysis. And then my newest course is Build an Interactive Data Analytics Dashboard with Python, which is a really fun and exciting course and teaches you all the steps for launching your very own dashboard with Python.